ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 719। टीका सम्यक् ज्ञानस्य अपपुनर्मृत्युं जयति इति उक्तं फलं विशदीकर्तुं प्रश्नान्तरम् उत्थापयति। सम्यक् ज्ञानस्य फलम् अन्वय यू हैव टू डू दिस वे। सम्यक् ज्ञानस्य फलं किम्?
अपमृत्युं जयति, मृत्युम् अपजयति।
मृत्युम् अपजयति इति उक्तं फलं विशदीकर्तुम् और इति उक्तं विशदीकर्तुं प्रश्नान्तरम् उत्थापयति। नाउ देयर इज अनदर क्वेश्चन but related to this mrityu jaya. So earlier what we saw, mrityu has mrityu. Mrityu's mrityu is agni or brahma jnanam. In this way you have to do the thinking. Okay. In bhashya pareण मृत्युना मृत्यौ भक्षिते परमात्म दर्शनेन यो असौ मुक्तो विद्वान् सोयं पुरुषो यत्र यस्मिन् काले म्रियते. Okay, let's think up to this. परेण मृत्युना मृत्यौ भक्षिते. para mrityu means the second one. By the higher mrityu, the lower mrityu is consumed. मृत्यौ भक्षिते परमात्म दर्शनेन. How? By Brahmatma Aikya. Paramatma Darshanam is that. Yo asau mukto muktaha vidwan. This vidwan who is liberated because of Paramatma Darshanam. Soyam purusho yatra yasmin kale mriyate. When this purusha mriyate, now we have to see the mantra. याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच यत्रायं पुरुषो म्रियत उदस्मात् प्राणाः क्रामन्त्य आहो न इति। नेति होवाच याज्ञवल्क्यो अत्रैव समवनीयन्ते स उच्छ्वयति आध्मायति आध्मातो मृतः शेते। याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच आर्तभाग is asking yatrayam purusho mriyate. Now which purusha we are talking about? The vidwan purusha, person who has brahma atma aikya jnanam, the person who has taken mrityu as upasechanam, because brahma jnani is brahma. For brahma mrityu is upasechanam. So now brahma jnani is brahma. That vidwan, muktaha vidwan, ayam purusha, mriyata, when he dies, asmat प्राणाः उत्क्रामन्ति. Ut अन्वय you have to do with kramanti. What is the sutra?
व्यवहिताश्च छन्दसि परेऽपि.
छन्दसि परे अपि व्यवहिताश्च. Two sutras. Utkramanti, aho na or not. Arthabhaga is asking. So, aho na iti. Up to that is the question. Comma. If you want, you can put there. Neti. It is not neti neti hovacha. Utkramanti aho na iti. Up to that is prashna. Then uttar is neti hovacha. So Yagnavalkya says no, his pranas, they don't have utkramanam. Then what happens to his prana? That is said, atraiva samavaniyante. So atraiva samavaniyante, or there is another reading also. Atraiva samavaliyante. That part is also there. That is in Madhyandina Shakha. Atraiva samavaniyante is here. Atraiva samavaliyante, or in samaviliyante. Chandogya probably it is there. Two different readings are there. There is no utkramanam, basically. So his pranas get disintegrated here. Sa uchvayati, but his sharira will swell. And uchvayati admayati. Adma to mritaha sheshe. Dma dhatu is for shabda, shankha, vadana. Dma. What is the dhatu artha?
शब्द अग्नि संयोगयोः.
So shabda sanyoga, here we have to take dma. But the dma here is not in the form of making sound. He just remains filled with that vayu in that earth, and mritaha shete, in the form of dead body, he lies. I mean, he is not there. His body is there. Even in case of ajnani, ignorant person, when they die, after death, body is referred. I mean, they say, Sharira is here, Sharira is taken to hospital or something, or Sharira is taken to cremation. You don't say, uncle is going now, uncle is taken, Chachaji, this, that, nothing. Because that vyavahar is over. As soon as that jiva is out, for Ajnani also, there is no vyavahar anymore. It is Shava only. For Jnani, definitely there is no vyavahar. Even while he is alive, he knows this Sharira. आत्मा और अहंकार
Did not hear Swamiji.
शरीर, can you hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
शरीर है संबंध विद आत्मा और अहंकार.
Ahankar.
अहंकार. Which संबंध शरीर has with अहंकार?
कर्मज तादात्म्य.
Correct. कर्मज तादात्म्य. So, see, this is Atma. This is Ahankara. This is Sharira. Atma and Sharira has no direct sambandha. Ahankar and Sharira has sambandha. This is karma sambandha. Atma and Ahankar had adhyasa. When adhyasa is gone, Atma Ahankara sambandha itself is not there. Where is the question of Atma Sharira sambandha? This is the understanding of Jnana. So even when he is Jivan Mukta, he said, I have no sambandha with this Sharira. How? Just like I don't have sambandha with any Sharira. How can I have sambandha with this Sharira? If other Shariras are not mine, this Sharira is also not mine. Mine means what is me in that Chaitanya. Ahankara's job is to protect that Sharira. Because Ahankara is identified with karma. So Ahankar feels responsible. So when the sadhaka, instead of Ahankara dominance, can you hear me?
Yes, Swamiji.
Just the last sentence.
So did you understand this example? Atma, Ahankara and Sharira?
Yes, Swamiji.
Did you understand the sambandha between Ahankara and Sharira as karmaja? Sambandha between Atma and Ahankara as adhyasa. When the adhyasa is gone, Atma, which was earlier indirectly connected to Sharira, is not connected anymore. Just as I don't have sambandha with any other Sharira. Other Shariras, hunger, thirst, I don't feel. Other Shariras, joy, sorrow, I don't feel. In the same way, this Sharira also, hunger, thirst, joy, sorrows, I don't feel. Chaitanya will have no connection. Connection will be only at the level of Ahankara. Ahankara will make attempts to protect the Sharira. That Ahankara which has become very sattvic and also is very virakta, dispassionate. That Ahankara also will not put forth too much effort to protect Sharira. Something that is happening, it is good enough. But remember, it has to be sattvic, it has to be virakta. If Ahankara is not that sattvic and not virakta, it is better you take care of the Sharira. Otherwise, when the pain is there, it will be unbearable. Because I will say I have vairagya from Sharira, but I don't have vairagya from pain. So, this idea, you have heard many times that Chintanam, yesterday how I explained, some thoughts are seen regularly. It is easily accessible in buddhi. That is sakshatkar. And some are kept somewhere, once in a while I see them. And some never come to my buddhi, even though I have heard that. So this concept you have heard, most of you. Ego means ahankara. Ahankara can be sattvic. Ahankara means parichinna bhava. ahankar does not mean the notion of I am superior. Not that. Here ahankara has different meaning. Ahankara means I am different from others. Where my aham buddhi is called ahankara. I do not have my aham buddhi in objects that I possess, but I have aham buddhi in this sharira. That aham buddhi is called ahankara. That ahankara has to become sattvic and virakta also. This idea that I am not in this sharira or in this sharira as much as I am not other sharira. This exact idea, anybody remembers where we saw? No. Okay. Don't worry then. That is somewhere, it is not easily accessible memory. It is gone. Upadesha Sahasri, 16th chapter, 70 some shloka, 72 verse.
Parasya dehena pratimanita. The last verse.
Last verse. Okay, let us see now. So at that kala, yatra yasmin kale, see bhashya, ut urdhvam अस्माद् ब्रह्मविदो म्रियमाणात् प्राणा वागादयो ग्रहा नामादयश्च अतिग्रहा वासना रूपा अंतस्थाः प्रयोजकाः क्रामन्ति ऊर्ध्वम् उत्क्रामन्त्या उत्क्रामन्ति आहोस्विन् न इति. So for this brahmajnani, brahmavidah, pranaha, vagadayo, grahaha, namadaya, atigraha, vasana rupa, antasthaha, prayojakaha. This graha, atigraha, in the form of that, all the pranas. Antasthaha, prayojakaha, they are the prayojaka for all the vasanas to express. They are vasanas, but they express through this prayojaka. Like we have vasana, let us say, for some things. Suddenly, if that object is mentioned, or you see something, like, children, when they are going, then they see ice cream shop. I am very thirsty. Suddenly they become thirsty. After you say, okay, drink water. No, I have thirst only for this specific atigraha. So like that, certain vasanas, they become manifest only when that atigraha comes to mind. Somebody mentions, you see something, you hear something. Otherwise, it is gone. So his pranas have utkramanam or not? Ahosvit na iti. Tika. परेण मृत्युना परमात्मा दर्शनेन इति संबंधः. परेण मृत्युना परमात्मा दर्शन. पर मृत्यु is परमात्मा दर्शन, and the lower मृत्यु is
Death.
is what? ग्रहातिग्रह लक्षणो बंधः सप्तम्यर्थः. Where is the सप्तम्यर्थः?
Atra eva. In mantra.
No. अत्र is ग्रहातिग्रह लक्षणो बंधः सप्तम्यर्थः. Where do you see atra? Yatra?
Yatra yasmin kale.
No. ग्रहातिग्रह लक्षणों बंधः सप्तम्यर्थ is मृत्यौ. सीन भाष्य परेण मृत्युना मृत्यौ. Is it there? Is it there or not?
Yes.
Previous page. That mrutyau is saptami. Every time saptami doesn't mean yatra and tatra only. Graha shabdena prayojya rashir grihitah. Graha shabdena prayojya rashir grihitah. So graha here means prayojya rashi. Prayojya rashi means indriyas. And if it was said prayojaka rashi, then vishaya.
विषय
Prayojya rashi. Prayojya means that which gets engaged. Prayojaka means that engager which makes it engaged. Namadinam sthulanam bahishtattvena swarasatas tyakva katham tad utkrantihi pruchyate tatraha. Namadinam sthulanam bahishtattvena. Namadi, all of them, these are the atigrahas, they are external, they are sthula. Swarasataha tyaktva. Swarasataha Swarasataha. So it is Swarasataha. Visarga is Sakara now. Swarasataha. Swarasataha. Tyaktatvat. Swarasataha. Swarasataha means what? There is something called Swarasa and there is something called Aswarasa. Swarasa means there where my Ishta is called Swarasa. Swarasataha Panchami. So here 9 number tippani Swabhavataha. Swarasataha means Swabhavataha. Tyaktatvat. So that you gave up and now you are asking some different question. Our topic was about graha atigraha. Now you are asking whether the prana utkramanam is there for this jivan mukta or not. So utkranti hi pruchyate tatraha vasana rupa antasthaha prayojakaha kramanti urdhvam utkramanti ahosvit naiti. So tesham, so what is the connection? Why you are asking this? What is the sudden shift in the question? Because connection is only this, that those vishayas, they are also existing within as sukshma rupa, as the prayojaka. Prayojaka is outside, let us say. But outside prayojaka is sthula rupa. That same prayojaka is there in your heart, in your antakarana, as sukshma vasana. Then only it will express. Those people who don't have that, it will not express. So these atigrahas are not only outside. Vasana rupene antakarane. Antasthaha prayojaka. This is not all upasana prakarana. Huh? This is very beautiful thinking. Tesham anutkrantau mukti asambhava suchayati. If I don't go beyond those atigraha which are within my vasanas, mukti will be possible or impossible?
Impossible.
What does that mean? I have to work on the vasanas within. You may remove all vishayas from outside. You may remove all people from outside, let us say. people that you don't like, people that you don't want to see, don't want to hear, talk, you remove them. Where are they? Inside, in your antakarana. And they will give you enough trouble. They are not giving. Your vasanas are giving. Vasanas are the problem. Antakarana is problem. Malina antakarana is there. Malinyam is there. Otherwise, I can see Brahma in everybody. What is the problem? तेषाम अनुत्क्रांतौ मुक्ति असंभव सूचयति प्रयोजकः उत्क्रांति पक्षे ध्रुवम जन्म मृतस्य च इति न्यायात्. If there is उत्क्रमणम of what? Prana. If prana उत्क्रमणम is there, then ध्रुवम जन्म मृतस्य च. मृतस्य जन्म ध्रुवम. If he has died, he will be born. Means if I have fear right now, one day I will die. Dhruvam janma mritasya cha. Next birth you definitely have. So we should not think that I don't know whether we may not have fear, let us say. Somebody says, I don't have fear of death. But you have thought of death, that I will die one day. If you think, that means you are thinking you are Sharira. Because Atma is not going to die. उत्क्रांति पक्षे ध्रुवम जन्म मृतस्य च इति न्यायात् पुनरुत्पत्ति ही स्यात्. Then rebirth is there. अनुत्क्रांति पक्षे मरण प्रसिद्धि ही विरुध्येत इति भावः. If there is अनुत्क्रांति, that means he has not died. Somebody says, because the prasiddhi of marana, what is the very well known fact? Marana means his soul has to go from here somewhere. That is called death. Soul has not gone, means he is here, he is not dead. So, virudhyata iti bhavaha. Dvitiyam paksham pariharati. But in case of jnani, this is not the case. That his soul will not depart from here, and yet at physical plane he has died. Physical plane. नेति होवाच याज्ञवल्क्यो न उत्क्रामन्ति अत्रैव अस्मिन्नेव परेण आत्मना अविभागम गच्छन्ति. Yajnavalkya said no. Means the answer comes so quickly. Not, let me think, here, there. Na utkramanti. Then atraiva asminneva parena atmana avibhagam gachanti. Para atma, parena means paramatma. Parena atmana paramatmana avibhagam. Vibhagam means bheda. Avibhagam means abheda. He becomes one with Paramatma. विदुषी कार्याणि करणानि च स्वयोनौ परब्रह्म सतत्वे समवनीयन्त एकी भावेन समवसृज्यन्ते प्रलीयन्त इत्यर्थः. विदुषी विदुषी कार्याणि करणानि च. So what is vidushi karyani karanani? Vidushi swayonau samavaniyante. That is the anvaya. Vidushaha karyani karanani cha vidushi swayonau parabrahma satatve samavaniyante. Jnani's karya means sthula sharira. करण मीन्स सूक्ष्म शरीर, कार्याणि करणानि च स्वयोनौ. What is his उत्पत्ति स्थान? So उत्पत्ति स्थान of कार्य and करण is what? Avidya. But paramparaya it is Parabrahma. Therefore they have given Parabrahma. Because avidya is ashrita in Brahma. What is the Vishaya of avidya?
Brahma.
कार्याणि करणानि च स्वयोनौ परब्रह्म सतत्वे समवनीयन्त एकी भावेन समवसृज्यन्ते. सीटिका कार्याणि करणानि च सर्वाणि परेण आत्मना सह अविभागम गच्छन्ति. दे बिकम वन विथ परमात्मा. व्हाट इज द मंत्र? No, मुंडक मंत्र. तथा कला पंचदश प्रतिष्ठा देवाश्च सर्वे प्रतिदेवतासु कर्माणि विज्ञानमयश्च आत्मा परे व्यये सर्व एकी भवन्ति. परे अव्यये एकी भावेन, दैट भगवान भाष्यकार इज गिवन. परे अव्यये सर्व एकी भवन्ति. So this is that his karya karana, everything will become one with Paramatma. Karmani vijnanamayascha atma, everything. Gachanti santi अस्मिन् एव विदुषी समवनीयन्त इति सम्बन्धः. तेषां विदुषी विलये हेतुम् आह. Why their lay will happen in Jnani? Because Jnani is Brahma now. Swayonau Parabrahma Satatve. टीका विद्वान एव हि पूर्वम अविद्यया तेषां योनिः आसीत्. This Vidwan earlier was the yoni. Tesham yoni. Tesham kesham.
कार्यकरणानां.
कार्याणां करणानां और कार्यकरणानां योनिः आसीत् अविद्यया. तस्मिन् अविद्यादशायां तद्बलात् अविद्यायाम् अपनीतायां परिपूर्णे तत्वे तेषां पर्यवसानं संभवति इत्यर्थः. So when avidya is removed, अविद्यायाम् अपनीतायां परिपूर्णे तत्वे तेषां पर्यवसान. His पर्यवसान is in परिपूर्ण तत्व ब्रह्म संभवति इत्यर्थः. कारणे कार्याणां प्रविलये दृष्टान्तम् आह. That how karya laya will happen in karana. Karana, not karana. Karana and karya, both are karya. When it comes to avidya as karana, karya karana. So I am assuming some of these things you already know, and every time I don't have to explain every small thing. Otherwise, we will never reach the end of Brahadaranyaka. It is Brahat and it is Aranyaka. Urmaya iva samudre. Just like the waves are there, they are karya. Their karana is samudra, means jalam. They go back to that. प्राणादीनां कारण संसर्गाख्यो लयश्चेत् पुनरुत्पत्तिः स्यात् इत्याशंक्य ज्ञाने सति अज्ञान ध्वंसान नैवम् इति अभिप्रेत्य. Pranadinam karana sansargakhyo layas chet. If pranas have gone to karana, and that going to karana is like laya, then puna utpatti is possible. Iti ashankya. So it is said no. Those who are attending Vedanta Paribhasha, I think we have seen this portion. The laya is of two types. We saw in Vedanta Paribhasha, one is laya and one is dhvansa. Vedanta Paribhasha Smaranam is only for few people. For most part people it is Vedanta and Paribhasha. Do you remember?
Swamiji is Patha and Nivrutti.
Pada and Nivritti. So yes, the terms there are different. What you have to understand is that in one there is laya in karana, and in the other it is destroyed. So ghatanasha, when it is in mrittika, then again ghata utpatti is possible. Like that, every night when buddhi etc. they go to avidya, then next day morning again we are ready for vyavahara. So there it is only it at karya attains karana, but that is not where it is gone. So here Purvapakshi is asking if pranas are also going to its karana, again they will come back. Punarutpatti hisyat. So Siddhanti says no. Here it is ajnana dhvansa. Jnane sati ajnana dhvansat naivam. Ajnana is destroyed. So once ajnana is destroyed, karana and karya, both of them are gone. So the terms in Vedanta Paribhasha are Badha
And Nivrutti.
Nivritti. So
Nivritti.
here you should understand
Dvamsa laya.
laya and dhvansa in that way. Tathacha Shrutyantarang Kala Shabda Vachanam. Here they have given Kala, this quotation that I gave, Kata Kala Panchadasha Pratishta. Shrutyantaram Kala Shabda Vacyanam Prananam Parasmin Atmani Pralayam Darshayati. Evameva asya paridrashtuhu imaha shodasha kalaha purushayanaha purusham prapya astam gachanti iti. 1 number tippani pralayam eva. टीका सविषयाणि एकादश इंद्रियाणि वायवश्च पंच इति षोडश कलाः. Here the षोडश kalas are not षोडश kala of Prashnopanishad which are given. Here he has given simplified one. 11 indriyas along with their vishaya, then pancha prana. These 16. They all go. All 16 go. Here none of them remain. But those Panchadasha kalas which are gone and Shodasha kala remains, that 16th one is Chaitanya, Purusha, Atma. Shodasha kalaha tasam swatantriyam ashrayantaram cha varayati. They don't have independent existence. Purushayanaha, Purusha adhishthanakaha. They depend upon Purusha. Purusham prapya astam gachanti iti. So they, Purusha here means Chaitanya. Tasam nivrittisya Purusha vyatirekena nasti iti suchayati Purusham prapya iti. Iti bhashya parena atmana avibhagam gachanti iti darshitam. In this way, parena atmana avibhagam, that is explained. Na tarhi mruto, then that means he is not dead. नहि मृतश्च अयम् यस्मात् स उच्छ्वयति उच्छूनतां प्रतिपद्यत आद्मायति बाह्येन वायुना पूर्यते. He is not dead. Nahi mritascha ayam. Means Deha is still alive. Alive in the sense, not alive as in how we understand, alive as in the pranas go in, body swells, etc. Those things you can see. This Yajnavalkya is giving answer. He is not dead because he as Chaitanya is everywhere. As Sharira you can see some changes. Uchhvayati, uchhunatam pratipadyate, it becomes big. Then admayati, it gets filled with the bahya vayu. How? Dhrutivat. Dhruti like the blacksmith's bellow. What do they say? Like the lungs. So like that it is filled. So he gets filled with that. Dhrutivat admato mrutaha shete nishcheshtaha. He lies there without any cheshta activity. Dhriti shabdo bhasra vishaya. Bhasrika comes from there. Earlier one line was there. Prana chen na utkramanti tarhi mruto na bhavati iti pratiti virodham shankitva pariharati. Na tarhi mrutaha. So then he is not dead. No, he is dead. But he is dead as in laukika. प्रकृतं वाक्यं प्रत्यक्ष सिद्ध देह मरण अनुवादकम इति अभिप्रेत्या. This is that he is dead as far as the Laukika people are concerned. So prakritam vakyam is pratyaksha siddha deha marana anuvadakam iti abhipratyaha bandhana nashe muktasya na kvachit gamanam iti vakyartha. His bandhana is gone, he is liberated, he doesn't have any gamanam. Yadgatva na nivartante. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद् देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.